if a patient does not tolerate the CPAP, then we have the advantage of seeking the possibility of what we call drug-induced sleep endoscopy to know exactly where the problem is. Not only in the examination and the consultation, but also DISE, drug-induced sleep endoscopy, will allow us to actually see where the area obstructs. And it's very easy, it's very simple. What we do is we put you to sleep with a medication through the vein, and while you're sleeping, and when you start snoring, we look inside with an endoscope to see where and how the airway is collapsing. So this is called DISE, and it's a very important tool to know exactly what's happening, and also, in many cases, we could also know why the CPAP is not working. So it's a great advantage. Let's do it.